Today we'll talk about how can you disable private profile on your VCAP. We're going to figure out the solution on how you can do that on your app. All you have to do, just go above your photo, click on it here. When you click on it, it's going to take you to your profile. Then all you have to do, just go above this sign, click on it. So then it's going to show for you a list like this. Then you click here on settings. So then come to this list here, then all you have to do, just click here on privacy. So when you click here on privacy, it's going to take you to next step here. Just switch into open video. So then you go down here and you come here to private profile, just click in this sign or this color. So you just switch into disable video like you see color, it's gone. That's mean private profile disable with us. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.